Is your organization struggling to deliver impactful meetings, workshops, or training sessions due to a lack of effective facilitation skills? Do you wish your teams had the expertise to facilitate engaging and productive group interactions? Without proper facilitator training, organizations often face challenges such as inefficient meetings, disengaged participants, and a lack of actionable outcomes. Imagine your meetings and workshops failing to achieve their intended goals, resulting in wasted time, frustration, and missed opportunities for collaboration and learning. The Effective Facilitator Training course equips your organization with the skills and techniques to foster productive and engaging group interactions. Through a comprehensive curriculum covering facilitation fundamentals, group dynamics, conflict resolution, and creative facilitation methods, your teams will develop the expertise necessary to effectively facilitate meetings, workshops, and training sessions. For organizations, effective facilitation leads to increased productivity, improved team collaboration, and tangible outcomes. Picture your team members facilitating meetings and workshops that captivate participants, foster open communication, and result in actionable solutions and decisions, driving organizational efficiency and success. Through this course, your organization will develop a cadre of skilled facilitators who possess expertise in group dynamics, communication techniques, and creative facilitation methods. Your teams will learn to design and deliver engaging facilitated sessions, leverage various facilitation tools and techniques, and continuously adapt their approach to meet the unique needs of each group, ensuring that every interaction is productive, collaborative, and impactful. Don't let ineffective facilitation hold your organization back. Register for the Effective Facilitator Training course and equip your teams with the skills and expertise to facilitate engaging and productive group interactions, fostering a culture of collaboration, learning, and success.